Alright, we're back. I just spent about 2.5 hours looking for tools and struck out. For some reason I have no seal installers for 41mm. Got every other size except the one I need. So we're going to make do without. I did find one tool I could use, fork stem nut tool. Did not find any of the fork tools for putting the fork together though. Been nice to have those, but oh well. Didn't make the move. Snout ring pliers and fork tools are still missing. Alright, these are the washers that go underneath the seal right here. So they will go inside the fork. Perfect. This right hand main bearing race goes over the tube, but it won't go inside the slider. And this is a good one, so I'm going to cut it down to make it work. When it goes over this, and it has a flange I can possibly manipulate heat on with a hammer or something. To make it work. We're all about making it work around here. Alright, so I think I got enough junk here to do what I need to do. We're going to find out. We're going to pretend like we know what the hell we're doing. Okay, so we're going to take this. Oh, the upper bushing got jammed in the lower bushing, so it might not be too new anymore. That's probably not good for it. It was new. Big screwdriver spread. Alright. I think it's new enough. It's my bike. Anything's good enough for my bike. I'm reusing the seal. So, yeah, it feels great. We're going with it. Okay, so, oily. Alright, so we're going to take the Harley dampener. And there's spring, which fits on there just fine. Nice big fat spring. Good enough to push on that, I think, without a problem. So we're going to use that. Out the bottom. Oh, preload's not there. Not very much anyway. Where's my nut? No preload. There should be some preload in this, you would think. I would think there should be some preload. Every front I've ever done had preload in it. So that means the spring's too short. Looks like we're about a little over 1.25 inches down. I use theirs. It's even deeper in the hole. Oh, that's 1 13/16. That's way down there. Don't fit very well. filler material to go in there. I'm thinking lots of washers like that. Yep, that one fits. How many washers do we need to preload? More than I got. Okay. So we got roughly 1.25 inches of free play. There's 1.25 inches right there. That'll be 0 tension on it. Should have some preload in that sucker. Something. 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch. Something more than nothing. Alright, so now we got to find something that's about this size that I have laying around. Now I want to cut up this because it's part of the factory one. That might go back in again. So let's go over here with my favorite area. The bolt bend's over here. Let's see if we can find something we can use. I'm thinking a nice big nut would be nice. Or a big stack of washers. Okay, there's a nice grade 8 washer. It's perfect. These are about 1/8 inch thick. We also have a nice big nut. If you put the washer with a nut, you got that much distance. Be like a sandwich. I like that. I think that's our answer. 5/8 nuts, I think. Alright, we're going to go with that. That's good. Okay, we need one of these. Go on the end of it. To keep these from falling off, I hit them with a hammer. Like that. You make it oval. It doesn't fall off now. Quick and simple. Good idea. Okay, this is the bolt we're going to use. Appears to be metric. Our tool right there. So, as you put a little bit of snot on there, that'd be the this stuff. 3-boned, 1184. So you put a little bit on the thread right there like that. Snot it up. The washer down. It is a used washer, by the way. This is my bike. We do everything used. There you go. Except we're putting new oil in it. Okay, that should be good. This stuff's all going to go up top. This is going to go on the bottom. Zip it in with a zip gun. Come on. She's tight. Okay. Seal. Ugh. I went down that far. Installation tool. What are you looking at over there? I'm over here. Installation tool. Boom. Another installation tool. Seals in sideways already. Oh yeah, big time sideways. Ugh. Oh well. Started out bad. That's a problem. Okay. Yeah, some kind of a slide hammer activity here. I think it's called a vise. I think that's needed. Washer's flush. Needs to go in further.